Hello, welcome to Worldgist Mega TV. Today we are going to teach you how to switch to different accounts in your YouTube channel. Log into your YouTube channel. Click on your YouTube channel logo. Then search for Switch Account. Easily click on Switch Account. Your different YouTube channel account would appear immediately. Simply click on the account you wish. That is all you need to know. It's very simple as ABC. Okay guys, I hope you have learned it. Place your comments. Before you go, please do not forget to subscribe, share, like and the bell.